Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, for this Liberia Heals initiative that has been going, we are happy, that it's been going at the speed of which it's been moving. The momentum is building. In that, we are on the issue of reconciliation for this. The whole purpose of this movement, this initiative, is reconciliation. It starts with us. So we found it very important, to express, our laws as well within this movement, because we know each and every Liberian was affected by this war, whether directly or indirectly. And it's fitting, it's very befitting for us to be inclusive in that number.
For those of you all out there who may or may not know, Jaws and myself, Putu, are actually brothers and coordinators of the Liberia Heals initiative in conjunction with the Ward Foundation, Ms. Vicky Ward and Franklin Bondo. And on behalf of our family, one of the individuals we would like to shed light on is our Uncle John, who actually played a role in stimulating the music. We are very involved in the music.
We want his name, to be remembered as one of the ones that help us to get where we are, in the time, as a youth. We would like his name to go on in reverence. So we are here today with our cousin, which is his daughter, to shed light on her experience and give her story out there and shine light on Father's name as well.
Winifred Dan is my name, from Nimba. I think this program is very unique, and I'm also glad to be part of this program. I don't even know what to say this time because of the past. But I'm one of those that were affected during the war, because I'm one of those that my father left in the war, and I was at the age, I can say young babies at that time, because I was born in 1990, and I didn't lay out on my father up to this time. And also my mom died in 2005 when I was the age of 15 years. I would like to encourage all those out there that are also in the shoes that I am today, to encourage you and also learn, hold your education to a fingertip, and also be encouraged that it is only God that we put our hope and our trust in. I am also glad for the program, for you people that are here bringing the program to us. I think in the next explanation to the audience, to the elderly people, I will explain it in detail about this program, that you will also be aware of and understand what is going on.